Hi everyone, this is Christy. I'm here to show you what I would wear to Vegas. Come with me. All right, so number one, Vegas is all about those pool parties. So you're gonna wanna wear a fun kind of one-piece, little like deep V there, bikini top, throw on like a little flashy shirt that you can take on and off, put it with some cut-off shorts or something that you can just enjoy the pool. You're gonna wanna wear some wedges because everyone in Vegas is always doing full face makeup, wedges, and that's for like all the party events. If you're hanging out at the hotel pool, you can go a little more casual and just put on like a nice little sandal, but you could still wear that same kind of top and have a fun time. Also, don't forget your lift bangle. This is a great accessory from Rome Often. It's a bracelet that also has a hair tie, so when you get hot out there in Vegas, you can throw your hair up and you're wearing a cute bangle accessory. If you're walking the strip, you're gonna wanna be in something casual but cute still for all your Instagram photos. I would wear something like this, like a fun little romper. Easy, it gets hot in Vegas, so this will keep me cool. I'd probably put this with a flat, just so it's easier to walk the strip and get around everywhere. Another option that I think would be great would be like a fun skirt. And this could also double up at night. You know, during the day, I could wear a casual tank top. At night, I could pair this with a bodysuit and go to dinner or go to a show. And then for clubbing, you are gonna wanna wear something fun, something with a little sparkle. I think this romper would be great for that. It goes great with really high heel or thigh-high boots if it's a little cooler, if you're going in the winter season. Other option is just a little cute little dress. You know, you could do an LBD or something with lace. Again, sequins are always great. Fun pop of color. I mean, anything really goes. A third option that I think would work for a dinner or concert is something like this. You know, show a little cleavage. Pair this with a leather legging and you're ready to go rock out, and then you can easily transition to the club afterwards. So this is what I would pack for Vegas. So for more information on what to pack to your trip to Vegas, go to romeoften.com. Rome Often and stay stylish. Viva Las Vegas!